In today's rapidly advancing world, artificial intelligence, AI, is shaping the way we work and live. To stay ahead of the curve, it's crucial to develop a strong set of AI skills. According to a recent study, only 3% of people possess the necessary skills to fully harness the power of AI. So, what are these essential AI skills? First, understanding data is vital. By learning how to collect, analyze, and interpret data effectively, individuals can make informed decisions and create meaningful insights. Additionally, coding skills are essential for building and deploying AI models. By mastering programming languages like Python or R, individuals can develop sophisticated AI algorithms. Furthermore, knowledge of machine learning algorithms is crucial for training AI models. Familiarity with deep learning techniques and neural networks can enhance AI capabilities. Lastly, having a grasp of natural language processing and computer vision enables individuals to develop AI applications that can understand human language and recognize images. By honing these skills, individuals can position themselves at the forefront of AI innovation and gain a competitive edge in today's digital landscape.